In this video, we are going to talk about 3 different CSH plugins which help us working in the terminal. The first one is zsh-syntax-highlighting, which is the one that is going to color the command prompt, just like you can see here. Here echo is green, and in order to install it in both 3 plugins, it's quite simple and straightforward. You choose, if you are in macOS, you can simply run brew install zsh-syntax-highlighting, and then you just run this command to append this line to your zsh-rc, and that's it. Once you do it, then you have the command in green. Of course, you can customize it, but it's very straightforward. Now the next one is called zsh-autosuggestions, and is the one that is going to suggest previous commands that you ran before. And again, the installation is pretty simple. You just look for Homebrew if you are in macOS, you run this command, and then you append this line to your zsh-rc. Once you do it, if you run a command, you will see in gray an auto-suggestion. In my case, to accept it, I can run right sign, and then I got it selected. Let me open KeyCast. Okay, so I do it like this, and I press to the right, and I got it selected. Say, for example, I have this one, I have it selected now. Okay, and the third one is called zsh-vi-mode. What does this plugin do? Again, the installation is pretty simple. You just run brew install zsh-vi-mode, and then you append this line to your zsh-rc or bash-sh-rc, depending on the one you are using. And why is it helpful? So the idea is, if you run, let's say, if you are going to run a very large command, let's say you want to edit the command before run it. So how can you do it if you don't have this plugin? One thing you can do is press Ctrl A, and then you move to the beginning of the command. You can also press Ctrl E, and then you move to the last part of the command. And let's say you are over here, and then you want to remove one word, so you can press Ctrl W, and the word gets removed. There are also other mappings, but the idea is that we can do better. How can we do better? So if we install the plugin, now by default, I guess the default key map to enter the VI mode is escape, just like if we were on Vim. Now when we press escape, note that I have here this icon which points me that I am in VI mode. Now once I am in VI mode, I can press 0 to go to the beginning, $sign to go to the end, B to go to backwards word, W to go to words, and then I can do more complex modification. For example, let's say I want to surround this word with double quotes. I can press VIW-S double quotes, and then I got it selected. Now if I need to append text, again, as we were in Vim, I hit I, and then now I can type. Now I can also delete surrounding quotes, and if, let's say, I want to delete the inside word, so I can press DI word. Let's say I want to delete whole word, DIW, and I got everything removed. So in this way, you can edit the command much faster and simpler, and it doesn't interfere with your current workflow. So I hope you understood everything, and see you in the next video.